So I was super excited to do this wash day because this one I was only using a full line of only Briogeo products, and I've always wanted to do a wash day with that only. So let's get into this video.
Someday you'll see me hoping that I put you on for your own notion. I'm not here for friends and such. I'm trying to find out where I'm going.
So for this wash day, I'm starting on about day 7 hair. And the products that I use here as follows would be the shampooing micro exfoliant for the shampoo, the Do Not Despair deep conditioning mask, the Curl Charisma leave-in defining cream, and the Curl Charisma frizz control gel. So as always, get that hair super drenched before applying any products and wash out whatever you had the week before. For me was Shea Moisture product, just so that you have a clean slate to try these new products. So I went in with the shampoo. This shampoo smelled amazing. It was fresh, it smelled just minty and clean, and this is how it appears. It's not like the normal white color that most products are. The first thing that I noticed after applying it is the cooling sensation that you get from this product. So it makes your hair immediately feel clean despite you scrubbing or not. Like, your hair is going to feel super clean. The only things to note for this, other than how clean your hair is going to feel, is it's addicting to just really just sit here and just scrub your hair using this because of that cooling agent that it has in it. So I just sat there honestly way longer than I should have, just scrubbing my hair because of how clean my hair felt and how good it felt. The other thing to note is, like a lot of other scrubs, this product does have those like type of like little beads or pellets that you find in body scrubs. So be sure to just rinse out this product thoroughly, because I did see maybe 1 or 2 little pellets when I was in the styling stage of my wash and go. But other than that, I absolutely loved this shampoo. This ended up being one of my favorite shampoos I've ever used. So next, I ended up going in with the deep conditioning mask. Now, this product I've used before, but I just wanted to buy it along with everything else. This product makes my hair feel good every single time. It gives me the moisture that I'm looking for, and it has a ton of slip into this product, so that if you're someone who wants to skip using just a regular conditioner and just go straight into deep conditioning, then you can do that while also removing any hair shed and just detangling throughout the use of this product. It's also not a conditioner where you need to sit under a hooded dryer for 10 hours, being dramatic, in order to get the benefits out of the deep conditioner. But I just stayed in there for about 10 to 15 minutes with this product in my hair and took care of the rest of my shower, and then rinsed it out on cold water. So after rinsing it out, my hair was super moisturized and it was soft to the touch. So next I went in with the leave-in defining cream. Now this is a thinner cream that I'm used to using. So right off the bat, I assumed that it wasn't doing what it was supposed to do, because I'm used to a more thick, buttery product. However, this one actually did surprise me and left my hair more moisturized than I had expected. So like I said, I like thicker products. I have high porosity hair, and those products tend to work better for my hair, are the thicker, more buttery products. So I didn't think a thin, watery product would work for me, but this one pleasantly surprised me and gave me the moisture that I was looking for in a sort of a curling product. And it did actually last me throughout the week. I didn't have to do too much refreshing to add more moisture into my hair. but I didn't think it was doing it at first. So you'll see here, I sprayed my hair with some more water, just thinking I might need more moisture. So with the gel, it was sort of the same with a gel. I'm used to a thicker consistency, not anything more thin or watery. So it was hard for me with the cream and the gel to tell how much of the product I did have on my hair. It does tell you on the bottle how much to use, but I was thinking like, this is not going to work for me. But the gel has incredible hold, and the cream does give you the moisture that you may be looking for. It's just for both of those products, a little goes a long way. There are those type of products that you don't need to have too much of the product in order for it to be doing what it's supposed to be doing. So some spots I did probably use a little bit more gel than I needed to, so the hold on it was insane, but that's only because I did not know that the product was doing what it was supposed to be doing because of the consistency of the product. So that's just a note for the future, or anyone who's wondering if they want to use the product and are used to using thicker products. A little bit of this product will go a long way. The drying reminded me of using just mousse because the drying time was not long at all. Those lighter weight products that aren't as thick dried a lot easier in my hair and cut my normal diffusing time in half. So that gave me a lot more time after doing a wash and style. And this was my hair on day two or three after. As you can see, the gel definitely held up. Like I said, some parts were a little bit more crunchier than others because I did use more than I probably should have, because I didn't know based on the consistency what the hold would be like. But this definitely held me throughout the week. So I did love these products overall. So overall, the shampoo was one of my favorite shampoos that I've ever used. It gives you a clean feel throughout the entire process and doesn't leave your hair feeling overly stripped. The deep conditioner gives you tons of moisture and slip for detangling. The cream, for me personally, wasn't my favorite when it came to its consistency, but it does give you the moisture that you're looking for, and that's just my own preference. And same with the gel. I like thicker gels, but this was more watery, but gives you the hold that you're looking for. So nothing that's actually a negative. It's just my preference to have thicker products. Now the gel and cream, if you do add too much, it will flake when you're sort of breaking the gel cast, but it's only in that specific process and not throughout the week. So you saw my hair had no flakes in it. So overall, if you did end up liking this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.